Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. So I'm on my own for 4 days. Joe is up hunting, and I decided I'm going to make some shrimp, crab, and corn bisque. I've been wanting this for a while. Don't laugh at my green onions. This is the best that they had at the store. Is this not disgusting or what? But they'll have to do. So first we are going to get our butter melted and get our onion in there. I'm making a double batch of this, so I'm going to use a whole stick of butter. I'm going to do 2 onions. I have done nothing while Joe's been gone. I've been a bump on a log. Oh, I can't say that. I do have the animals to contend with. Ooh, man, my eyes are watering. And y'all, I'm no professional chef, so don't fuss at me for my onion chopping. Oh Lord, these onions are strong. Alright, so we're still waiting on our butter to melt. So y'all, the recipe calls for 1 bunch of green onions, but they are so horrible, and they came from the store like this, that I'm not going to use them. So I went to rinse them and they just turned to mush. So I'm just going to use the yellow onion. Alrighty. Butter has melted. Put in our onions. I got a 16-ounce can of claw crab meat, and I got an 8-ounce can of lump crab meat, which they're both the same price. So since I got more with the claw meat, I decided to use one of those. But you want to go through it, just make sure it doesn't have any shells. Oh, this smells so good. And if a shell gets by you, oh well, just chew it up. Alright, once your onions are tender, then you want to add 1½ teaspoons of onion powder, 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder, and a whole teaspoon of your Cajun seasoning. You also want to add in about 1/4 of your crab meat. Next, you want to add your chicken stock, and I'm going to use 32 ounces. Alright, once that comes to a boil, you want to put in your softened cream cheese. And let that cook in. Don't you hate when it's almost to the end and you've got these last few chunks that just don't seem to want to melt? And that was 8 ounces of cream cheese, y'all. I don't know if you heard me say that. Of course, it's going to be down in the comments too. Okay, next you want to put in your corn, and I am putting in whole kernel, 2 cans of whole kernel, and 2 cans of cream. Joe hates cream corn. I love cream corn. Then you want to let this cook for about 10 minutes. That looks really good already, and it has no shrimp or the rest of the crab meat in there. Last minute idea, I think I'm going to add a can of Rotel tomatoes in. I'll let you know if it's a yay or a nay. We're going to let her simmer for about 10 minutes. You want to watch this stuff really good because it doesn't take long for it to get scorched on the bottom. And that will ruin your whole pot. Alright, next you want to pour in 4 cups of half and half. You also want to taste this at this point and see if you need any additional seasonings. So let's see. I shouldn't, since I put that Rotel in there. Nope. It's got some fire to it. It's going to be good. Once it starts bubbling again, then we want to add our shrimp. And we want to let these cook until they turn pink. Shouldn't take long, maybe 10 minutes. Okay, so our shrimp look nice and pink. And we're going to dump the rest of the crab meat in. I'll let this cook for maybe another 10 minutes and then it'll be done. So she's ready. Look at that. Yum. So she's done. My garlic bread is done. Let's do a little taste test here, since Joe's not here to do it. This is what I've been craving. Yum. Check out this garlic bread. Yep. Joe, you're missing out. Alright, y'all. I'm going to finish eating this. I'll probably go back for seconds. So, if you try this recipe and you like it, give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think on both the garlic bread and the Bisque. Thanks for watching.